Hey guys, so this week we are doing a 760 square foot stamped concrete patio for one of our neighbors. It's gonna be pretty straightforward. It's just a big old patio with one little step. Stick around for the tear out, the framing, the pouring. Hopefully we got concrete, and we'll see you then, guys. Thanks.
Ahora, no, espérame, que el turista que no queda. Nomás necesito decirles que tengan cuidado cuando van a pasar para acá para abajo. Hasta acá. Buenísimo.
You got another tie gun to make this faster. All right, guys, seems like that concrete came out with some wire. All in all, pretty straightforward. So this addition kind of thing that's here was built on top of the previous patio, so I can only cut so close. We got a rebar 2 feet off center propped up. This little corner kind of slopes back a little bit, so this is higher than everything else. But we got about a 1.5% grade this way. That's plenty for stamp, especially if we stamp it nice and flat and good, which we usually do. Total, we got, I think, 768 square feet. But there it is, guys. Everything's prepped, good to go. They're not going to build anything on here, so I'm not checking square. Plus, I wouldn't have a corner over here to check square off of anyways. We're going to pour the concrete up to that. I cut that as close as possible. Everything's kind of doing this slope this way. But there it is, guys. See you guys next week for the pour. Thanks, guys. Bye. Wow, it's so red. Wow. ¿A usted le gusta el color rojo?
Just on the corner or whatever. Gracias. It just makes it easier when we come to clean.
Mi Rafa, si se viene donde está ellos para allá, donde ya sí se está poniendo allá, para que no se va a empezar a cartear. Wow, hijo de su madre, miren nomás. Puta madrado. Hasta que me di cuenta cuántos eran. Nomás andan haciendo yo. Hey guys, so we finally knocked out this back patio. We went with a super bright red color. I mean, this is as red as we could order it. There it is. That is an Italian slate stamp. We went with the bubblegum release. Look at that, guys. It is gorgeous. The crew really knocked it out. It set up a little fast, but there it is. Look at that, guys. That color is called brick red. It came out beautiful. We're very happy. The customer is very happy, and we're looking forward to sealing it in 5 weeks. I'll post an update video for that sealer. But thanks for stopping by. Thanks for being patient. We'll see you then, guys. Bye-bye.